Learning EE. Welcome to my Learning Projects channel. Here I will be uploading and covering various details of the projects I am working on to learn technologies and systems like Linux servers and server-side programming, Arduino Electronics and embedded systems, RS-485 and RFID communications protocols, and PCB design from the prototype stages to the finished system. Along the way I hope to get feedback and input from those more experienced in the previously mentioned technologies while offering support and feedback to those experimenting with the same on any quirks, tips and such so as to collaboratively learn and resolve problems. This has been a digitally narrated introduction created using free software on Linux. pico2wave is a free program available for download and use in your projects. To help me improve the output quality of pico2wave's files, I have filtered them in Audacity. All work has been performed on Ubuntu 20.04.0.